Hello everybody and welcome back to How to Experts. In this video, I will show you how to view a private Instagram account. To start, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. On Instagram, use the search bar on the bottom left. And then in here, search for any username which you think is private over at Instagram. Now select the three dots on the upper right on their profile. And then in here, select Copy Profile URL. Once you're done, close Instagram, then open your internet browser. On your internet browser, you are going to be searching for the following: IG mods. Wait for the search results. Then select the link that says igmods.com. Once you are now here, select View Private Account. In here, just put their link URL. Once done, select Connect. Wait for the connection to finish, and that should be it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.